In this video, we'll show you how to add apps from the Produce8 Desktop Extension. There's two ways to do this: Catalog apps and Custom apps. We'll start with Catalog apps. First, click the Produce8 Desktop Extension icon. Once you open the desktop extension, click plus. To choose from the Catalog apps, you'll see the Catalog apps pop up here. Simply select one of them and click Subscribe to one app. Select the workspaces that you wish to add this app to. And like that, you'll start to see data from this app. Secondly, you can create a custom app. Again, open the desktop extension, select plus. This time scroll to the bottom of the Catalog apps and select Choose an app from your device. Make sure that the app is open in the back of your device, and then click Next. Find the app that you're looking for, and select Next. If you've already created an app in the Produce8 web app, you can link this app to that. If not, select Next. Select the workspaces you wish to add this to, and then you're done.